Hello and welcome to our 15th COVID-19 market update with Thomas Caldwell. Today is October 29th, 2020, and it's been about 32 weeks and counting since we started social distancing and self-isolating, if you can believe that. Now, Tom, there are so many problems right now that everyone is facing and dealing with, personally and professionally, and it's actually not about COVID or the economy. So what do you think the biggest problem is?
Well, in my opinion, I think it's depression. This COVID shutdown has lasted a long time, and there does not appear to be a near end in sight. I think that's wearing on people. You can see people getting testy, more anxious, and it's affecting everything, really. We just want to see when this is going to decrease, when we're going to have a little bit more freedom to associate, because we are social beings. So this anxiety, this angst that we're going through, it requires a release. And I'm of the opinion that we're probably doing more harm than good with the shutdowns at this point in time, but that's just my own personal opinion.
So we are less than 1 week away from this epic US presidential election. And I just want to talk about the markets because that is your favorite topic.
Well, the presidential elections, that's certainly not one of my favorite topics. I don't know whether I'd use the word epic, chaotic, negative, whatever. There's so many words you can use to describe it, but hopefully it will be over at some point in time, and the world will move on. At the present time, particularly this week, we've seen some pretty significant market declines, stock market declines, and I think part of that is more COVID-related at the present time. Earnings are coming through fairly positive. They're beating estimates of corporations, but remember, earnings are a lagging indicator. We're now looking into the future. When is the lockdown going to be eased up? When is the economy going to get back to whatever normal is going to look like? Those are the questions that I think haunting people. But the thing to keep in mind during all this negative period is we will get through all of this. We will come out the other side. Is it 6 months? Is it 2 months? Is it 1 year? I don't know, and I don't think any of the so-called experts have a clear answer in that. But I think governments have to show a little courage and say, well, we have to rely now on wearing a mask, social distancing, washing your hands, stuff your mother told you. And if we do more of that, I think we can get back to more of a normal sooner than later.
Thank you so much for your time, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. Bye for now.